Smile and learn.
Hello, friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about farm animals! It got dark again. I'll use my flashlight to find them. I can see a silhouette over there. Which animal could that be? It's a cow! Cow! I love having cow milk for breakfast. Cow! I see another silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse! Horse! Horses are really fast. Horse! Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep! Sheep! This sheep is so soft. Sheep! Let's see what we can find around here. It's a hen! Hen! Hens lay eggs. Hen! Let's see what we have over here. It's a rabbit! Rabbit! I love rabbit ears. Rabbit! There's another silhouette over there. What could it be? It's a donkey. Donkey. Donkeys say, hee-haw. Donkey. Let's see what other animals there are. It's a goat. Goat. Oops, goats have horns. Goat. And this is a silhouette of a dog. Dog. Dogs are humans' best friend. Dog. And that silhouette down there. It's a duck. Duck. Look at that beak. Duck. I think there's one silhouette left. It's a cat. Cat. Cats are very swift. Cat. My, so many animals. Shall we recap them so I won't forget them? Cow. Horse. Sheep. Hen. Rabbit. Donkey. Goat. Dog. Duck. Cat. Oops, it's getting late. I'm heading back home to make it for dinner. See you around.